And welcome back to Grandpa KC. Today I'm going to show you how to change a watch band. Now, I have this beautiful Disney watch, but the watch band is a little too small. We're going to be changing it today. And like I said, best thing to do is, if you don't want to damage the watch or scratch the watch, you want to get a tool set. And I'll leave you the link. And what happens is the watch goes in here. And then you'll put it inside the watch and tighten. And this will hold the watch firmly while you're getting everything done. This prevents you from accidentally scratching the watch, ruining the watch, and also makes it a little bit easier. When you've got the watch nice and tight, make sure the watch is sitting inside of the area. This prevents the the crystal from being scratched. So let's get into changing the band. Now, they make tools, and I'm going to leave you the link, like I said, and they have come in various sizes to be able to get in here. Now, a lot of people have tried using knives and all kinds of things, but that risks scratching the unit. Now, I like to use the original pins from the watch band when putting them in. And the reason is because I know that this particular pin will fit the watch. You know, one of the worst things can happen is you put another pin in and it doesn't quite match up, and then all of a sudden the whole watch band falls off. Punch you out. Now, if you're using a watch that's flexible like this, a watch band that's flexible like this, the beauty of this tool is that you can flip the watch over now, put the watch band underneath, which will allow you to easily get in there and push it into place. Now, I put on my new watch band. These tools that I am showing you are absolutely helpful in every little way, especially if you have carpal tunnel like I do, and makes it a little harder for me to maneuver things. But I'll leave you the link to where you can find it, and that's it. That's how to change your watch band. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this has been useful for you. If it's been useful for you, put it in the comments. Give us a like, give us a share. This is a quick on how to change your watch band. A lot of people try to use a knife or something pointy, try to get in there into that watch pin, and they ended up damaging the watch. The kit I'm leaving a link for will allow you to be able to change any kind of watch band and watch battery. So until next time, this is your grandpa, and we'll be back with more videos, more product reviews in the future. Thank you.